do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your government within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible within the law the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations. Ambassador, welcome to Kenya.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your appointment.
Thank you.
My very best wishes on your tour of duty.
Asante.
And I look forward to working with you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Please.
High Commissioner Designate, Republic of Singapore. He is the founder and chairman of Ernest Khan Financial Advisory and Business Consulting. He is also a member of the Board of Visiting Justices and of the Reformative Training Center Review Committee under the Ministry of Home Affairs. He has previously held various positions in private organizations. He has held various positions in private organizations in Singapore, the United Kingdom, such as Chief Advisor of Singapore Exchange, the Deputy Managing Partner of Deloitte Singapore. He graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Accountancy, studies from Huddersfield University in the United Kingdom. For his contribution for the public service, he was awarded the Public Service Medal 2008 and Public Service Star in 2017.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, I have the honor to present to you Dr. Ernest Khan, High Commissioner Designate of the Republic of Singapore with residency in Singapore.
Mr. President, I'm deeply honored to present my credentials as non-resident High Commissioner of the Republic of Singapore to the Republic of Kenya. I convey the warmest greetings and best wishes of His Excellency Tharman Shanmugaratnam, President of the Republic of Singapore, to Your Excellency. Singapore and Kenya have enjoyed decades of friendship. We share a commitment to economic development and upholding the rule-based international order. Allow me to note some recent developments in bilateral cooperation. Our bilateral investment treaty entered into force in August 2023. We signed a revised avoidance of double taxation agreement in September 2024. In March 2025, we commenced negotiations on an agreement to collaborate on carbon credits. These developments reflect our commitment to expand bilateral cooperation for mutual benefit. Mr. President, I'm aware of the significant responsibilities that lie ahead. I look forward to working closely with your government to advance the ties that exist between Singapore and Kenya. Asante sana. Thank you.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your government within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible within the law the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations. High Commissioner.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Welcome to Kenya.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. President.
Congratulations on your appointment.
Thank you.
My very best wishes in your tour of duty, and I look forward to working with you.
Certainly. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Ambassador-designate, the Dominican Republic. She is a career diplomat with over 27 years of service in the Dominican Republic Ministry of Foreign Affairs. She holds a law degree from the National University of Pedro Enriquez Urrea and has held key diplomatic positions in Spain, Belgium, the European Union, and the United States. She has served as Deputy Head of Mission or Chargé d'Affaires. Her areas of expertise include bilateral and multilateral relations, human rights, migration, gender, political affairs, and international cooperation, particularly with the OAS, SICA, and EU ACP framework. She is also a lecturer in international relations and founding member of the Dominican Association of Women Diplomats. She is a native Spanish speaker, proficient in English, French, and Italian.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, I have the honor to present to you Mrs. Elika Alvarez Rodriguez, Ambassador-designate of the Dominican Republic with residence in South Africa, Pretoria.
Your Excellency, it is a great honor to be here today as the first woman to serve as Ambassador of the Dominican Republic to the Republic of Kenya. On behalf of the President of the Dominican Republic, His Excellency Luis Abinader Corona, and the Dominican people, I convey our warmest greetings to Your Excellency and the people of Kenya, along with the best wishes for peace, prosperity, and continued leadership on the African continent. This occasion marks a new chapter in our diplomatic relations. It follows the successful political consultation held in Santo Domingo in the past May during the official visit of His Excellency Musalia Mudavadi. That high-level engagement strengthened our ties and advanced dialogue, producing concrete results that provide a strong foundation for lasting partnership. Your Excellency, on behalf of my government, I wish to express profound gratitude for your leadership and vision and spearheading the United Nations mandate multinational security support mission to Haiti. We fully recognize the commitment and sacrifice involved in the deployment of Kenyan police officers. This is not only a gesture of solidarity, but a courageous and historic step toward global peace and regional stability. As country of sharing the island of Hispaniola with Haiti, the Dominican Republic understands perhaps more than any other nation that the stability and well-being of our neighbor are closely to our own. Our destinies are deeply connected, even as each nation maintains its sovereignty and identity. The Dominican Republic has provided medical care to Kenyan personnel deployed as a part of the MSB mission and remain committed to continuously support, offering them the sanitation and dignity of our own citizens. Your Excellency, allow me to present the letter of credit accrediting me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Republic of Kenya, alongside the letter of recall of my predecessor. Thank you.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your government within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible within the law the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations. High Commissioner, congratulations on your appointment.
My pleasure, Mr. President.
Welcome to Kenya. My very best wishes in your tour of duty, and I look forward to working with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
And we'll now conclude with the national anthem. So if we're seated, let's kindly be upstanding as we come to the official close of this part of the ceremony with the national anthem.